Okay, so here we have an exam question where they're talking about inequality signs. So we've got to recognise so we're going to have to work out n is an integer, so that means a whole number. And we're looking for whole numbers which are bigger than -3 but less than or equal to 1. So on our number line, -2, -1, 0, 1. So we're going to have that one, that one, that one, and that one. So it's going to be -2, -1, 0, and 1. So the statement means the n values have to be bigger than -3 but smaller than or equal to 1. Then we go through the next question. So it says solve. So find the values of x that make this true. So solving means that we rearrange to make p the subject. So we've got to move the -7 across to the side, and we've got to get the 3 across to the side. And we always solve by doing the opposite operations. So 3p minus 7 is greater than 11. So we add 7 to both sides. So we end up with 3p because that's the opposite of take away 7. So 3p is going to be greater than 18. And then we share by 3 because 3p means 3 times, and that will get us p is greater than 6. So p is greater than 6. And it's really important, that you keep the inequality sign throughout the working out. Now we should check, and basically we're going to say because p is greater than 6, p equals 5 should not be true. P equals 7 should be true. So 3 times 5 take away 7 is equal to 8. 3 times 5 is 15, take away 7 is 8. So not bigger than 11. 3 times 7 is 21, take away 7 is 14. Bigger than 11. So we've checked it works. So when you solve inequalities, it's really important you keep the inequality sign. To solve, it's just like any equation in a sense, inequality in an equation. Then you solve by doing the opposite operations to cancel out numbers and letters from one side to the other side of the sign. The opposite of take away is add, and the opposite of timesing is dividing. So that's how we could do those.